Alright, this is the DT Sport AR-15 versus an old microwave. Let's see. It looks like it turned the microwave to butter. Let me get the gun.
It's steaming.
Oh yeah. There are brass jackets in here, or lead jackets. Piece of 223 lead. Whew. Hot. Here's another piece of 556 lead, 223 556 lead. I was shooting 62 grain Tula. Now we did have one that ripped through, but I have to say I'm pretty impressed. Little microwave done good. Come show them the backside. We have no penetration. We have dents, but no penetration. We might rip this thing open tonight and see if we can dig some lead out for you. But so far we have 223 lead and 9mm lead. Now on to the big boy. We're gonna try the 44 and the 9mm. So let's go set the AR back on top of the Jeep. And like I said, this is the Beretta 92 FS. This specific one was built in 09. And let's see what she'll do. Wait, we're gonna go close the door. You know, we want to give them all the same chance. Alright. 3 shots. Alright. Let's see what the Beartall did. And again, we got steam. Oh! The 9mm busted out the back. I see lead already. Busting holes. This 9mm ain't playing. She don't play. Here's another piece of lead. Like I said, we'll get the pliers later, and well, I can get this one by hand. Ooh, hot mama. Let's see. Get it where y'all can see it. Now back up. Now, some people will say, well, he shot the microwave lower. The AR, it didn't stand a chance because he shot it lower. We'll shoot it high. That's all she wrote. Let's see. Oh yeah. Mayhem and destruction. For all y'all that hate on the 9mm, there's really no reason. I mean, it might not pack the power of a 45, but I mean, when you're doing that to somebody, they really ain't gonna keep coming at you if you put one in the right spot. And once again, we have lead. All sorts of lead.